Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to index an article in Google Search Console. This is a blog built using Hostinger Website Builder, and the article I want to index is this one. First visit it, and now copy this page URL just like that, and go back to your Google Search Console account and paste the page URL or the article URL here. Click on enter and wait a moment. As you can see, this article is not on Google, and to index it, just click on request indexing and wait a moment. As you can see, indexing is requested, and to verify if your article was indexed or not yet, you can simply copy the page URL just like that and write or search for site two dots and your article URL and hit enter. If you still don't see your article here, it means that your article was not indexed yet. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.